Yo, what is up everybody? It's a beautiful snowy day here in Northeast Ohio, and we're going to be testing out this BMW headlight that I resealed. We're going to see if it can hold up with water on the road and all the snow that we're about to go through. Let's find out together if it's actually going to work with the cheap epoxy seal that I used. If you've watched my previous videos, if you haven't, go check them out. I'll give you guys a look of the snow here. We had a big snowstorm yesterday in Northeast Ohio, and pretty much the whole place is covered in snow. Alright guys, so we're at our first stop. There's zero condensation in the headlight. We've been driving for about 10 minutes. We're in an open parking lot that's covered in snow, so we're gonna see if we can do some donuts out here. So I'm gonna set up the camera, go zip the car around a little bit, and see if we can catch something cool for you guys. We're throwing that snow all over the place. Woo! So we just had some serious fun tearing up this parking lot with the snow. There's nothing better than that in Northeast Ohio when it snows. You get to a parking lot where it's open and rip some donuts. But check this headlight out. It has been getting wet. Snow's been flying on there. Water and salt from the road, and it's still not leaking. We're looking like it's fixed. Unfortunately, the halo doesn't work still. The blinker doesn't work. We'll address that problem later. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a ride home, about 20 minutes out of here. And I'll catch a video of it when we get back to the house to make sure there's still no moisture in there. But so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and say this headlight is sealed and we fixed it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys back in my house. All right, we just got home, so we're gonna check out the headlight and see what it looks like. Oh. Okay, you can see, guys, absolutely zero moisture inside the headlight. It is a little wet on the outside, but zero moisture on the inside. This headlight's sealed. If you watch my videos, you know I used a cheap epoxy to seal that lens back to the housing, and that fixed the headlight. So I'm super pumped about that. I don't have to worry about the condensation problem anymore. We should be golden. So if you guys watched, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the section below, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Thank you again for watching. Peace out.